Hi, if you're watching this, then that means you want to know what is stage two of probate. Well, I can answer that. Hi, folks. I'm attorney Ryan Sise. I own my own law firm, and all I do is probate for families right here in New Mexico. So let's jump in. What is stage two of probate? Well, stage one is getting everything turned into the court, and the judge goes through it, make sure everything's valid, and then they approve it and put you in charge. Stage two starts soon as you are approved. And the first thing you got to do, you just been approved. Now you got to notify the rest of your family that you were successfully approved by the court to be the personal representative of the state, and just let them know that it went through. And the court also needs you to turn in paperwork to them saying that you did notify all the heirs. They want to make sure that you are following all your duties as a personal representative, that you're notifying any heirs and also anybody that demanded notice, meaning it could be a creditor, it could be the hospital for medical, anything, any party that demands a notice. You have to supply that notice, and that's part of the duty of being the personal representative of the state. Okay, so recap. We notified all your family. We notified anybody that sent a demand notice. Now, what about all the creditors? That's where the stage two comes in. Stage two, you got to notify any of the known creditors, meaning, let's use Uncle Jimmy, for example. Uncle Jimmy had a car, got a car loan. You got to notify the car loan people. Uncle Jimmy had a home. He had a mortgage loan with a mortgage company. You got to notify the mortgage company. All the known creditors. Now, what's very cool is our state is one of the friendly states where they won't punish you for unknown secret creditors that you didn't know Uncle Jimmy had. Other states, not so friendly. But here, no. All you got to do for unknown creditors is we will file a notice with the local newspaper of that county. It's very important. You can't do it. You have to do it where your Uncle Jimmy lived, not way over in Farmington or Las Vegas or Taos. No, it has to be where Uncle Jimmy lived. Now, you file that with the newspaper. It's going to run for 3 weeks consecutively. And then from there, the creditor notice waiting period starts. It's going to be 4 months. If you don't hear a peep from any of these companies coming out of nowhere, then you then they lose their chance to say anything and be like, they can't raise their hand after the 4 months went up and be like, hey, we have a good valid claim and we want to get paid. Sorry, you're a big adult company. You know what you should be doing, and once the time passes, it's past, it's over. You don't have to pay that debt. Okay, so stage two is mostly a waiting period. Nothing exciting. You might get some text message, or not text. We'll reach out and tell you, hey, we're still thinking about you. We haven't forgot about you. It's just nothing to do. Nothing's going on. Nothing to say to you. But it's a waiting period. But at least we'll check in to be like, hey, we're still thinking of you. And that's pretty much what stage two is. I know it's not exciting, and this is 4 minutes long that you've been listening to it, but that is in a nutshell. And stage three we'll cover at the next one. All right, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up or leave a comment. I'll answer any questions. Check out our website, siselaw.com. I'm attorney Ryan Sise. All I do is probate for everyone right here in New Mexico. All right, take care.